Am I the jerk for kicking my wife out after I found out that she cheated on me and got pregnant? My wife, 24 female, and I, 23 female, have been together for several years. We met in college and our connection was instant. Over time, our relationship grew deeper and we decided to get married about a year ago. We've always been each other's best friends and confidants, and I truly believe that we were meant to be together forever. We've even talked about starting a family, traveling, and growing old together. A few months ago, I started to notice that my wife was acting differently. She became more distant and secretive, and I felt like something was off, but I just couldn't put my finger on it. I tried talking to her about it, but she always reassured me that everything was fine and that she was just stressed out at work. I wanted to believe her, so I let it go, thinking maybe I was just being paranoid. However, a few weeks ago, I accidentally saw a message on her phone that confirmed my worst fears. She was having an affair. The texts were explicit and it was clear that it wasn't a one-time thing. When I confronted her, she broke down and confessed to everything. She said that she had been seeing this person for a few months, and to make matters even worse, she told me that she was pregnant with his child. I was completely shattered. The woman I loved, the person I trusted more than anyone else in the world, had betrayed me in the worst possible way. I couldn't even process the fact that she was pregnant. It was like a nightmare that I couldn't wake up from. After the initial shock wore off, I realized that I couldn't stay in this marriage. The trust was already broken beyond repair, and I couldn't see any way that we could move forward. I told her that she needed to leave. I know she's pregnant and I know that this is a difficult time for her, but I couldn't bear the thought of living under the same roof with her after what she did to me. I didn't yell or scream, I just told her calmly that she had to go. Since then, our mutual friends and even some of her family members have reached out to me, telling me that I'm being too harsh. They argue that she's pregnant and needs support and that I should stand by her despite what happened. They even went as far as to try and make me feel guilty, saying that I'm abandoning her when she needs me the most. Some have accused me of being heartless for kicking out a pregnant woman. But from my perspective, she's the one who broke our vows and betrayed our relationship. I'm heartbroken and I don't feel like I owe her anything after what she did. I need time and space to heal, and I don't think that I can do that if she's in my life. So am I wrong? Man, these stories really do make me feel so bad for these OPs in a lot of these situations. Like the fact that she even felt like she had to ask if she was wrong. Obviously, this woman is not wrong, and I feel so bad for what she had to go through. I mean, her wife cheated on her and then got pregnant. I mean, that's like the ultimate betrayal. And for the family to have the audacity to say that she's being heartless? Really? How about the family supports her when she needs them? Also, the guy who got her pregnant, where is he at? Bottom line is OP's wife is a big jerk for what she did, and she can't expect any sympathy from OP. And also, any of the family and friends that sided with the wife are definitely jerks as well. So you guys let me know in the comments what you would do if somebody cheated on you and then got pregnant with somebody else's baby. Would you let them stay? Come on. Anyways, guys, enough of this drama. I wanted to show you my latest resin creation. My customer asked me to recreate one of my favorite pumpkin jars, this gorgeous gold and purple jar. So you guys have to let me know what you think about the final results. It's so sparkly, it's so beautiful. I am obsessed. Drop some purple and gold emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, guys, thank you so much for showing up and thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video. As usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.